We got one, we got two, we got three, we got four different Kizer knives we're going to be checking out in this video. This is going to be an unboxing extravaganza here. These are holiday special theme knives. And these are going to be releasing tonight, October 1st at 01 a.m. So basically right past midnight. So we got a whole bunch of different knives here to go through. I will be giving all these away, so you definitely want to stay tuned throughout the whole video here so you can see exactly how that's going to work out, how that's going to happen. But we're going to start here with the drop bear. Right, we got under 3 inches there on the blade, ASO design, Nitro-V, stonewash, black acrylic handle, and clutch lock. So I'm just going to go rapid fire. Some of these models we have seen in more detail here in the channel with other variants, non-holiday theme variants. But we got a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin little bead right there. That's a nice little touch. And here is the knife, of course, Kizer paperwork and all that good stuff. I'm going to keep, obviously, the boxes pristine and everything because I will be sending these out to the giveaway winners. But here we go. Let's see what this one's all about. The drop bear with some extra flair, with some extra sauce. Of course, we got to zoom in here because this one has the acrylic. In case you don't know, acrylic is a see-through material, and then that way they can put some art in the actual steel liner. It is an exposed liner, sandwich construction with 2 standoffs. So they got some art here in the liners, and then we got the see-through acrylic with some micro milling, which actually gives a lot of grip. Absolutely love that. Got the purple accents going on. There's your omega spring. You got the clutch lock, so you can adjust the tension on the omega spring. Of course, Kizer does a really good job with that. The pocket carry clip, which is reversible. And let's just go ahead and get this thing deployed here. Bam, right? Got a blacked out blade, and it says trick or treat question mark on it. So my goal is to send these out to you guys. Hopefully by October 10th, we have a winner picked out. It'll get shipped to you and delivered so you can use it on the, the holiday. So that's the plan here. So obviously you got great action with the drop bear. Hey guys, really quick, I just posted a video for the 35K subscriber giveaway. I'm giving away 15 different knives, so I'll have a link to that video in the description and pinned comments. Thank you all so much for this amazing growth. 35,000 subscribers is an amazing number. Hopefully we can get to 50K by the end of the year. Check out the video, get entered to win, and best of luck to everybody. The drop bear by now is an icon of Kizer, probably their most popular model ever. So, they're putting some extra flair on some of their popular models. Love to see it. Got the same jack-o'-lantern little logo on this side, trick or treat on the other side. Right, so no Kizer logos or anything, which is interesting, right? So you have to, this limited edition doesn't have the billboarding, right? It's very, again, holiday theme oriented. So that's one knife. We'll place it right about right there so we can get a queue going here as we check out more and more knives. Next, we got this one here. I'm not going in any particular order. We got a mini Bulldog. It is an Osho design. We recently looked at one with a crystallized titanium, which I've been carrying the crap out of. Nitro-V steel, black stonewash, G10 handle, clutch lock, of course. So let's get in here, right, shall we? And okay, I see what this one has going on. Again, same bead here with the pumpkin. And let's see. We got, all right, this one's rocking the orange, right? Orange with purple theme on this one. Got, of course, a bigger cutout here. Got like an orange G10 shell with a black G10 underneath. Then we got the purple accent on the thumb studs on the crossbar, just like on the drop bear here. The pocket carry clip, which is reversible. Love to see that. And of course, it is a clutch lock. So crossbar lock from Kizer. You can adjust the omega springs. Same deal on here. Trick or treat on one side and the jack-o'-lantern face, right, carved face on the other side. So a little bit of a bat outline on this side and the face on the other side. So yeah, very nice and spooky enough for you. So there we go. That is the second knife right there. We're gonna keep moving forward here, rapid fire. Next one is the original, and not the original one, but the original 2. Over 3 inches on this one on the blade, 14C 28N steel, black PVD coating, G10 handles, and clutch lock. So whole lot of clutch lock going on. Love to see it. Here we go. All right. Let's see. Original 2. I do believe they're releasing an original 2 holiday special theme. So again, same bead on this one. And let's see what the knife here, what the combination is on this one. And by the way, these are going to be available on their site. I have them all linked down below. So if you want to get one sooner, maybe get one for yourself or a loved one, whatever the case may be, links will be down below. And again, releasing tonight at midnight. So this one's got the purple and orange. So very similar to the, this is interesting, right? Because you could probably dual carry these two. This one's got the mostly orange with purple accents. You got this one's got purple, mostly purple with orange accents. So definitely love the play on colors right there. Again, bat on the other side, so you can feel like Batman, and jack-o'-lantern face on the show side. And of course, you know, good old clutch lock. So bam, right there's the geometry for you on the blade, kind of like a drop point, clip point blade. And is that a hollow ground? Holy macaroni, guys, we got a hollow ground on this one. Love to see that. That is absolutely sweet, right? Trick or treat. Again, no Kizer logo, no Kizer lettering of any kind. Good milling all throughout for weight reduction. And you know, these are only going to be available during the holiday. So exposed liners, 2 stain dust over here. And yeah, let's go ahead and action is just as you would expect. Love me some clutch lock action, man. Kizer does one of the best crossbar lock knives or experiences you can get out there. So no doubt about it. You already know if you own one yourself. But we got one more. But wait, there's more, right? So here we go. We got the biggest box. This is probably a fixie. We got the Hare on this one. Nitro-V, black stonewash micarta, and G10 handle. Over 3 inches on the blade. All right. So let's get in here. Very tight packaging, by the way. Boom. Let's see what the Hare is all about. All right, here we go. We got a Kizer sticker. We got the knife, right? It's going to be a fixed blade. And of course, we're going to have the sheath here. And again, also a bead, right? These are very interesting, added to all these seasonal theme knives. Wiping cloth, paperwork, all that good stuff. So again, guys, these are going to be given away to you. So I'm keeping the box as pristine as possible. Well, here we are. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off. And let's see what the Hare is all about. Now, we got brown micarta going on this one. Kind of got a whole kind of stitching pattern going on here on the handle. Check that out, kind of like Frankenstein style. But then we got the bat on this side. Right, also got that on the blade there. Trick or treat. Again, no Kizer branding on these. Got a big old lanyard hole solution back here, if anything. Then we also have jimping here for days. So let me just take this off. I should have done that from the start. Got jimping there, jimping here. Even got some jimping around back here. Full tan construction, of course. Love to see that. You can see the contrast. Again, it looks like micarta and G10, right? Before you get to the actual tang of the blade, that's how you get this black G10 look here behind the micarta. And I gotta tell you, man, the ergos on this one, oh yeah, that just feels really good on hand. No doubt about it. Full 4-finger grip. We can put the thumb here right behind this little bump right there, or put my thumb here. Also feels good. Again, got some thick to it, so you can do some. Got some thickness to it, so you can do a little bit of, you know, more hardcore task with it, if anything. Flat grind, good plunge grind situation right there. And the ergos are just amazing, right? Absolutely amazing ergos. No doubt about it. Nice and contour, rounded all around. So love to see that. Let's go ahead and, yeah, check the sheath here real quick. So what this one has is kind of like an engraved, not engraved, but like it kind of looks like a sticker in a way, but kind of permanent sticker. Got, again, the jack-o'-lantern theme going on through all of these. Trick or treat on the other side. Very common, very popular spring-loaded button clip here, which you can turn around, right? If you want to carry horizontal or vertically. Experience going in and out of the sheath feels pretty good. Is there any rattle? Absolutely no rattle right there. And so, yeah, absolutely good experience there so far. Go ahead and put all these out right here on the table. I kind of do a size comparison, if you would. Just kind of put them all out here. You guys can check them out side, well, compared to each other. There we go. Side by side, that's what I meant to say. Again, 4 models right there. You got the Bulldog, mini Bulldog, Drop Bear, Original 2, and the Hare. All right, which one's your favorite? Which one is the one that speaks to you the most? Absolutely let me know in the comments. Now, we already have a giveaway going on right now. The 35K subscriber giveaway for September/October is going on right now until the 16th. So definitely check out that video. If you haven't already, you can get entered to win. Up to 15 different knives are being given away on that giveaway. But we'll do another giveaway just because, by the way, I personally don't celebrate Halloween myself, so it doesn't make sense for me to keep these knives. And that means good news for all of you, because I'm going to be giving all these out so you guys can enjoy them. I know a lot of you guys celebrate Halloween, so absolutely definitely want you guys to have these in time. So the way it's going to be breaking down here, guys, for all channel subscribers, all you have to do is be subscribed. You have to like the video. And the keyword to be entered is the word sharp. SHARP, sharp. That's going to be your keyword. Some people skip the video, some people comment, they don't watch the whole thing. So I'm going to be filtering for the word sharp on the comments, and that's how you know you're going to get pulled and qualify to win as a subscriber. Again, all you have to do is be subscribed, like the video, and leave a comment with the word sharp somewhere in a sentence. So you are going to be entered to win for the original 2 and the hair. Again, no purchase necessary. You're a subscriber of the channel. It's my way of showing gratitude to you. So original 2 and the hair here. If you're a channel subscriber, just type a full sentence or 2. So at somewhere in there, put the word sharp. And I think we all knife people would know how to spell and use the word sharp pretty much on a daily basis. But there you go. These 2 are going to be given away to channel subscribers. The mini Bulldog right here, Osho design, is going to be given away to channel members, right? These are paid channel members who have taken their support a step further. So I'm really grateful for that. They don't need to do any additional step. They also qualify for the entry on the original 2 and the hair as a regular channel subscriber. But because they're also a member of the channel, they're going to be automatically be entered to win the mini Bulldog. Why? Just because. And also Patreons, guys. The Patreons are going to be the ones entered automatically for the drop bear. So if you're a paid Patreon, I know Patreon has a free tier, but paid patrons are the ones that are going to be automatically entered to be able to win the drop bear right there. So the drawing for this one is going to be on the 10th of October. I don't want to extend it too much. So I want to make sure that the last day is the 10th. So that means by 11:59 on October 10th, that is your deadline. On October 11th, right, the window has already closed, and I would have already pulled the winners there for the giveaways. So there you have it, guys. That is the breakdown for the giveaway on all 4 of these. As soon as the winners get announced via a channel community post, please jump on that right away. Let me know. Reach out to me. I'll have you email me so we can coordinate shipping details and such. But all the details will be in the description and pinned comments, so make sure to check those out. YouTube is not responsible in any way, shape, or form for this giveaway. I am the responsible party for making sure all the prices get distributed accordingly. So really hope you guys enjoy this spontaneous giveaway. Really want you guys to have these, enjoy them. And definitely let me know your thoughts on these, right? Which one of these do you like the most? As you know, even not holiday theme knife, but just in general, which one makes a better EDC knife? Do you already own one of these, 2 of these, 3 of these, right? What has been your experience so far, guys? Let's hang out in the comments down below. Again, these are available for purchase here after midnight tonight on 10/1, basically on the first minute of October 1st. So right after midnight, right, you can pick these up for yourself if you're interested. It does help out the channel when you use the links in the description and pinned comments, but that's entirely up to you and at 0 extra cost. But of course, very highly appreciated if you do so. Thank you all so much. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.